Alright, what's going on, guys? Over here doing some magnet fishing on this bridge right here. We got this side right here we can go ahead and do too. So without further ado, let's get it on. Oh, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. There's something metal right there, trying to direct my magnet right to it. Oh, I'm stuck on, guys. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I can get it. Oh man, really? Oh, I'm stuck on something, guys. Oh yeah. What is this? Guys, I'm stuck on something good. I don't know what it is, guys, but it's metal and it's heavy. Oh wow. What is that? Look at that. Oh yeah. What is that? What is that? What? What is that? Guys, what is this I just got? Is it a piece of a car? I don't know. What is that? Well, if you guys know what it is, let me know. Nice. Alright, guys. I have no idea what that was, but let's go. Let's find something else. Oh, guys. I'm on it. I'm on it, guys. Hopefully I can pick it up. It's like this big pipe or something. What the heck is that? Oh man. Oops. Guys, I'm on something. I don't know what it is. It's big. It's heavy. I don't know what it is. Oh man. What the heck is that? Oh. What is that? Guys, look at that thing. Wow. What the heck? What is that, guys? What the heck is that? See if I can get my magnet off of it. There we go. Wow, look at that, guys. Is that cool or what? We got some nice metal out of the water. That's a good thing. Alright guys, let's go over our finds. So, I got this right here. It's a big piece of, I don't know, metal, steel. It's a big piece of steel that I got out of the water. And, I don't know what this is, guys. This might be like a compressor or something like that. I'm not too sure. But, if you guys know, drop it down in the comments, please. I would like to know. This one right here, it looks like a camera, it really does, but I think that it's a clamp. A nut and bolt here, nut and bolt here. This right here is just a rock, I think, that's in the circle. But that's pretty cool though. It does look like a camera. It's so awesome. Alright, well guys, that ends the video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.